I'm going to again start another recording for our interaction alone. So let's quickly go over the summary sheet so we can discuss. We will go back a little earlier too. Supermoto. Any questions, guys? Hello, guys. I'll tell you if we have the next 15 minutes very interactive. I'll leave you guys in the next other 15 minutes off. Okay, so we'll have a quick discussion from till 11 11:40 or 11:45. Provided we have a good interaction, I'll leave you at 11:40. Otherwise, we're just going to go over this till 12 o'clock. Let's see. Okay, Priscilla, I'm going to stop presenting. Okay, we'll just have an interaction here. All right, guys. So if you're not responding, I assume that you are not present for the day. Okay, I'm going to start marking you absent. I'm going to call out the names. Right. Priscilla, you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah. Can you give me some examples of some actuators?
So,
Can you give me examples of actuators? Manisha, are you here? Manisha, 18 CS 95. Jayant Kumar left the meeting. Okay. Okay. Manisha is not responding. Okay. Aditya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Actuators.
So, like we saw about the piezoelectric actuator.
Okay. What does it
Yeah,
do?
so that's like it converts like electric current into like mechanical movement
Mechanical
stuff.
movement. Okay. Huh. All right. Okay. Anything else? Does I mean piezo buzzer, right?
Yes, a buzzer also. Yeah,
Okay.
like you can control the like tone of the buzzer and stuff like through the input current and stuff. Like
Thanks. All right, Aditya, can you point to someone from the chat? Who do you want to pick?
you, so you only choose.
Okay. All right. Girish. Harsh Doot has left the meeting. Okay, let me note down Harsh Doot. Girish, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Uh, can you please give examples of sensors?
Sensor.
Yeah,
Sorry, like general.
general or specific, it doesn't matter. Like, give some examples.
So like for water checking and all we use
Yeah, yeah, we use, but then give me an example of a
may
sensor. What kind of sensor?
exam. I okay. I don't know. Sir.
You don't know? Okay. So for what you said, some water, something. No?
Yes, sir.
What do you sense in that?
Sir, storage level.
Storage level. Okay. Ah,
That's all, sir.
okay. Okay. All right. Gauri has also left. Okay. Let me note down all you guys. Harshdoot, are you there? Harshdoot.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Manisha. My mic wasn't working, so I couldn't respond.
Oh, Manisha. Yeah, Manisha. Can you give some examples of sensors?
Piezoelectric sensors or something.
Piezoelectric is a sensor. What is a sensor?
I don't know, sir.
Don't know. Okay. Hmm. So then point to someone, no, who can answer.
So you choose, sir.
No, no, I don't want to choose. You don't know the answer, so you should choose. You ask your friend, somebody who can help you in this. Who do you want to
I don't
choose?
know.
No. If you don't choose, I will be forced to mark you absent. You're only virtually
Uh,
present, right? Choose someone.
Monisha.
Monisha. There's someone called Monisha also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Monisha. Monisha is there. Yeah. Can you help Manisha?
Uh, Ashtray, what is sensor, sir?
And examples. Both. What is a sensor and give some examples.
Uh, I'm not sure, sir.
To the list. Hmm. Ask your friend. Ask your friend. Let's see if someone can answer this.
Um, Madden?
Hello.
Merin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You're calling him. No, he's not answering. Merin is a boy or a girl? I'm sorry.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl. There are two types of sensors: touch sensors and capacitive-based sensors.
Wow. Okay. Huh.
Then there's water sensor, then temperature sensor, and all that.
Okay. Great. Good. What is a sensor? Can you explain Manisha and Monisha and the rest of them too?
They like measure any quantities like temperature, light, or something like that, sound, and all that.
Yeah. Something and all that, right? So that's also there. That's also very important. Not only light, sound, whatever you can measure.
Hmm.
If there is there's a dimension that you can measure through a device, then that device is called a sensor. Okay, thanks, Mirin.
Thank you.
All right. So do we have Jayant here? Jayant Kumar. Jayant Kumar already left. Omkar. Omkar, are you there? Omkar. Ramya D. Guys, if you're not answering, I'm going to mark you absent today. Pick someone. Jayant, I think 11:06 he gave attendance and left. Vani Saringa left. Okay. Indraja.
Hello, sir.
Hey, Indraja. Can you tell me if stepper motor is a sensor or an actuator?
Stepper motor. I think it's an actuator, sir.
An actuator. You sure about it?
No, sir.
You're not not sure about it? Just guessed. Okay. What's your name? You're Indraja, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, it is an actuator. Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Nitin Suraj. Okay, great. Yes, can you please tell me like at least two uh, onboard communication protocols? Okay, you can type the answer, and meanwhile I'll ask Subbi Reddy. Subbi Reddy, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me one asynchronous onboard communication protocol?
Sir,
Can you
sir, say it again.
me give an example of an asynchronous onboard communication protocol?
Asynchronous. No, sir.
Okay, ask your friend.
Raghubab.
Raghu Babu, please help.
Yes, sir.
Please help Subbi Reddy.
Right. Don't know, sir.
Ask your friend.
Ganesh.
Ganesh. Ganesh, are you here?
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah. Example of asynchronous onboard communication protocol. So Omkar is not here, right?
Sir, adapter.
What? What adapter? What adapter? You're just throwing some jargons on my face. Hila,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you help these guys?
What?
Can you help these guys? I asked a question, right? Can you answer that and help these guys?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. What was the question? Can you repeat? You guys are just like logging in and then you're doing your own work. Are you not? I mean, I think like 90% of you are just doing that. I mean, I understand you can do other work, but yeah, you should still listen, right? At least some like 10 or 15% of the things should have gone in. Like I'm just asking you the topics, right? I'm not even asking you any technical details of what was discussed.
Mm,
Yeah. Anyway, what was the question?
types of asynchronous onboard protocols of communication.
Yeah, that's what I asked Nitin Suraj, and he's not sure it is called UART or USART. But I asked Subbi Reddy a different one. Example of
Like
asynchronous
onboard.
protocol. Yes. Jayant, are you back? Guddu? Okay. Ramya D, are you back? Ramya, did you answer me earlier? Ramya, can you help Hila and Subbi Reddy and Co? Can you first repeat the question? What was the question? Hmm? I'm not able to hear you. You can type if you want.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are. Actually, you are.
Name we need to communicate protocol.
Okay. But your voice is breaking. You can actually type the answer. Hardik,
Yes, sir.
can you tell
Hello.
me? Yeah. Can you tell me what topic was discussed today?
Sir, about the today,
Yeah.
the asynchronous protocols, about the you said about the protocols and all. Now you discuss about the communication thing.
What? What topic was discussed today? No, not the discussion that we are having now. The first half an hour session, I actually presented something. Right. I'm asking you what was presented. What topics were covered?
So
Okay, guys. Actually, it's not a great thing, I must say. Okay, you guys. I think you're just logging in and then you're doing your own stuff, and we are just taking so much effort in preparing these lectures and delivering this, right? I think you should also be a little more serious. I understand the technical difficulties from your side, but then there has to be like something, right? Like at least like 10 or 15% should have gone in, at least the topics, what was covered. You should know all those things. I didn't even ask any tough questions today. You ask a random person who has a good GK would be able to answer this. It's like that. You don't even have to be an engineer to answer most of the questions here. You guys, we are like almost going to wrap up this module, and you still don't know what a sensor is, and you're not confident whether a given example is a sensor or an actuator. I don't think it's the right way we are headed at. Anyways, okay, so we'll call it a day. All right. So pay attention, guys. Okay, from next time. So that this is how the class is going to be from now on. So it's not going to be like I just uh, give a monologue for 1 hour and then you guys are done. Of course you will be stressed out if you just have the entire day sitting like this listening to someone a 1 hour monologue, right? It's going to be like that. If you start interacting, then that's when it gets better, right? That's when your brain gets refreshed. Otherwise you just constantly hear somebody murmuring to your ear, right? Of course it will be boring. Okay, anyway, so we'll call it a day, guys. Thank you. Thanks for attending. Okay, bye bye. You can log off now. Hello. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Morning, sir. Yeah. Huh? No, 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 not meeting. Actually, I was in class, so I just hit that SMS. Yeah, I was in class. Yeah. No, so for P3 alone, right? P3 Python is handled at the department level only by everyone. Probably I'll send out a clarification mail to everyone. Because every department their faculty is only taking P3. So again, if Farida ma'am has to consolidate it, again she has to consolidate and then she has to fill this sheet, right? Instead of that, I thought directly HODs can fill this. Yeah. Anyway, I'll send a clarification mail. Oh, is it okay? Oh, okay. P2 advanced, Jansi ma'am so Jansi ma'am will fill. So other PX, right? So the leads will fill the details like P5 and then P2 advanced, all these things. Only for whichever is part of the course, right? P1 basic Rahman sir should do, and then P3 Python HODs should do. Rest of it the PX leads will do. Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. I think everything is filled now. Yeah. Correct. Hmm. Uh-huh. Actually, full stack. I think Uma, madam from MCA is supposed to take on Friday. I think she did not take that day, but she took it on Saturday. One of the days, right? So one days. Uh, okay. Uh, correct, correct. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Sure. Okay, okay. I'll do that. Yeah. Okay. Uh, uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, I did. I sent a message. I asked them to follow the same format. I'll check again. I'll ask them to follow that format. You meant. I think you've given that what Gomati ma'am has shared, right? So that sheet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Correct. Yeah, yeah. I've already told them that. I'll check again if they're following or not. Yeah. Mm. Correct, correct, correct. Yeah. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. I think so. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. Okay. You, yeah, yeah. You tell me if I missed something. I think I covered everything. I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Sure, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. Yeah. Yeah. Fine, fine. Thank you. Thanks.